Hi English lovers, I welcome you in this video of Best Speaker of the Week competition. As we know that I have started India English bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. You can also participate in this Abhiyan and just you can be great English speaker. Every week I just provide all my students one topic. They create the video, they send me, and few videos just I choose, and after that I start the voting. You can vote and you can make the speaker best English speaker, and who will win, who will get more and more votes, who will win, who will become best English speaker, as well as he will get the certificate as well as reward. Your vote is very valuable, so please write in the comment box I vote for, after that speaker's name, and really it will be amazing and I will be always grateful to you, because the mission of India English bolega Abhiyan, it will be possible because of your help. Thank you. That's enough for today. Please watch and vote.
Hi friends, my name is Jawahar Kumar Goswami from Bhumacharabad, and I am telling about unity. You know that the unity is very important for getting success, and it can change your life if there are lots of members. Then you can bring it anything if they are good, and we should have one unity, and it is very powerful in every country. And I live in India, and India has a lots of country. They have to be in a fight, so we should have one unity. And I like unity, and most of the people want to. That I don't want that I will live here. So it's not good. Thank you, bye friends, bye. I will meet you next Sunday.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Hemant Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys, I am here to speak about a wonderful topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is unity. Unity means being together. It means helping and supporting with each other in any difficult situation. Staying united is the key to build strong bonds and society. The best example is here to prove that unity strength is Indian struggle for independence. Our joint family system is the greatest example of unity strength. If we will remain united, then we can face any difficult situation and any difficult problems. We can share our thoughts, our ideas, our sorrows and suggestions with each other. If we will remain united, then we can defeat anyone, anything. I will explain this topic through a wonderful story. The story name is Unity is Strength. Once upon a time, a blind boy lived in the village. One day, fire broke out in that village. Everyone ran away from that village. A lame boy also lived in the same village. Blind said to the lame, "You have eyes but you can't run, and I have legs but I can't see. Come on, sit on my shoulder. You will show me the way and I will go. By doing this, we will be saved." Both of them did the same thing and they went out from that village skillfully. So this story tells us unity is strength. So that's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech, and if we will remain united, then we can be strong our society and we can be strong our country. That's all for today from my side. Thank you for listening to me. Thanks.
Morning all of you. My name is Aman Kumar. I'm studying in 10th standard and my full name is Saint Joseph, and I'm here to discuss about my topic. My topic name is unity. Unity is a very important for any team or group, because a family called family when the members live together, and if you are united, then no one can do anything of you, and it fills your life with strength and happiness. And unity makes a country strong, and even the impossible looking thing can be possible with the power of unity.
Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you for giving this opportunity in this time. My name is Rika Malani. I am from Nagpur, the village in near Super. My topic is unity. Let us start my topic. It is an important crucial spot of initial spot of your day, your life. Without unity you cannot successful. It is a very important for getting successful.
Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are good and well. I also feeling better and good and well and fantabulous. First, I want to say thank you because you are giving me your valuable time. First, I want to tell you about myself. My name is Sabaj and I belong from Jharkhand. Today I have a topic. So today I tell you about my topic. My topic is very important for us, and my topic is unity. It means Hindi ekta. So I tell you about unity. Okay. It is very important for getting success. We can say this as an example. Okay. So sometimes we see ants. An ant cannot carry a large grain of sugar, but many ants together can carry that sugar grain from one place to any other. So this is a very good example of unity. Without it, success is very far. It can help you and your bad times. They are very happy if they have united members. It is the backbone of any country or society. So unity is very important in our life. So thank you guys for giving me this wonderful opportunity.